This is Sherman Crancer, president of the Crancer Group, and Bill Ray from Virtual Office Solutions giving his thoughts on what it means to work with the Crancer Group.
I think making the decision to work with Sherman and his team has probably been one of the better decisions I've made in the last 12 months. They are professionals, they are passionate, and they're in it for us. Is the way I look at it, and so I highly recommend the Crancer Group to any partner that's struggling to get the sales machine moving, and that's where we're getting to at this point. Is our sales is becoming a cycle, it's becoming a machine, and we owe that all to Sherman and his guys and gals. When we do an event, it's not just an instructor standing up there that doesn't have a passion. We actually have we form relationships during these customer immersion experiences with our customers that last way longer after these meetings. So I'm very appreciative, and I enjoy working with the Crancer Group.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this and checking this out. Email us at the contact information above, and we look forward to talking with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.